Hi guys, Alex here from socialcornergraphics, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the fonts in our templates, how you can replace them with other fonts, and how you can change the color of the text. So let's get started. If you have been following our video tutorial series, you will know that I explained our file structure and also explain how you can change the images. And now in this one, I'm going to show you how you can change the fonts. Now, if you want to access the fonts that we were using in creating of this product, simply double click the README file that came inside of your download package, and you have the links to the fonts right here. So you can click on the links, click allow, and it will take you to the download page for that particular font we were using in that product. So in this particular example, because we are using Beauty Pack and Beauty Instagram Stories, you have Lato and Playfair Display. Now these are Google fonts. They are free to use in personal and commercial products and projects. So in order to download these fonts, simply select this font, go to the other one, select this font as well. You have to download both of them in order for everything to work properly. Now simply refresh this page. You'll see one family selected, and you can click right here to download it. You can do the same for the other one. So click right here and click right here to download it. Now install the fonts like you usually do, the regular way on your computer. Whether you're using Windows or a Mac, it will work exactly the same. And now when you go back to the Photoshop and you installed the fonts, simply click T on your keyboard, or you can click right here in order to access the font. And if I click on this font, you can see it's Lato black, 60 points is the size, and here is the color. When I click right here, you can see it's 262626. And we have one more at the top, so this small font right here. Click on that. It's Playfair Display regular of 24 points, and the color is 262626 as well. So when you want to change what it says here in these templates, you can simply type. So for example, let's use this image, and let's pick a theme. So for example, let's type So for example, let's use this sentence. And now if you want to replace how this font looks like, simply click on it, Control A to select everything, click right here on this arrow, and you can choose from the fonts that you have installed. So let me use this one. As you can see how it changes, but because we are using Lato and Playfair, I will simply click Control A, click right here, press P, type Playfair Display regular, or even better, let's use bold italic to make it a bit different. And now if I want to change the color, because I don't want it to be this black color, once again, Control A, click right here, and you can click right here, for example, to choose the color of this sky that we have in this image. You can also type your hex code right here. So if you have a hex code for your branding, so for your logo, for example, you can paste it right here and it will use that color. I'm simply going to use this one. Click OK, click right here, and now we changed it. You can also, because we chose the travel for this particular example, you can go right here to the top and simply click travel, or travel news, or travel tips, for example. Press enter, and now we want to make it centered. So hold Control button, click right here where it says BG, which stands for background. Press V on your keyboard, or click right here for the move tool, and now simply click right here to position it in the middle. Control D to deselect, and there you go. you have your new template ready to go. And that's how easy it is to change the fonts. You can change it to your own font. So for example, if you have a font for your brand that you're using, you can replace it to that. I explained to you about the hex code. So if you have a hex code for your logo, you can use that color as well. You can include your images. Watch the previous video to see how you can do that using smart objects, and create the perfect template that is going to fit your branding or your needs as an individual.